Hi guys, so my BTS X VT Cosmetics perfume package finally came. I ordered it beginning of the month, and now it's like, what is it? Right now is July 24th, so it took about like pretty much a whole month to come. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up and share with you guys. So first freebie, I guess, is a snack. That's cute. Oh wow, I have another snack thing. That's so cute. I ordered off of Cocoa, I think that's how you pronounce it. Alright, so everything is packaged like this. Let me see if I need to do anything. Kind of confused on why my camera is blinking low battery when I literally just charged it before I started filming. So I think this is a freebie. JIMIN! Oh my god. So I have a photo of JIMIN. That's so cute. He is so precious. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in here for now. This is another freebie. This is Suga. It's like an Instagram kind of picture keychain thing. Okay, and this is the standee. Let's open this first, shall we? See who we get in here. Let's see how I open this. Hopefully it's... Is it? Oh my god, it is JIMIN! Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Holy crap. Okay. So I did get his perfume, if you guys are curious. Of course I had to get him. He's my bias. Come on, guys. To be honest though, the way other people were describing his scent, it wasn't like too flattering. I don't think for my kind of taste, but it's JIMIN, so we have to go with it, right? Okay. Right, and this is just smooth everything out. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and rip this open. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. Lift it up. And there we go. This is the photo cards. And then the perfume. If I can even open this. Alright, should we do a smell test first or open this first? I guess we'll do this first. Okay. It's back here. Let's put JIMIN in the frame too, because he's just so lovely. There we go. That's blinding you guys, isn't it? Okay, we'll just be there. Whatever. Alrighty. So this is the, is this in focus? There we go. That's a little bit better, right? There we go. This is a group photo. All of them look so, so lovely. This is the back. Korean words, I cannot tell you what it says because just cannot read. That's the first one. This is our lovely, super handsome Jin. Back. That's his scent, Eau de Cotton. Apparently his is always gets sold out. Here's another one of Jin. Here's the Macne. Apparently his scent is really good as well. This is the Ocean. I wish there was a freestanding store in, where I live, so I can like go in and just smell how all of them smells like. Because I kind of want another one, you know, that smells nice, not just buying because, you know, my bias. This is V, looks so good. This is the musk scent. Another one of V. JIMIN, oh my god, he's so good looking, oh my god. Another JIMIN. I think this is like the standee. Yep, same thing. I'm just so happy I got him as my standee. Oh my god, you guys have no idea. Because I know some people got, you know, a member's perfume, but the standee doesn't match with what they got. So happy. This is J-Hope. God, his cardigan. So cute. This is the citrus scent. And then our President RM. He looks so sexy, guys. Oh my god. His is the boy. Totally butchering this. Look at RM. He just looks totally like a president. And Sugar. Everyone looks so good in these photos. Oh my god. His is Elderver, whatever that means. Yeah, oh my god, everyone looks so good. Oh, his shirt. Oh, it's the same one. Alrighty, so that is all the photo cards that came with. Now we are going to spray this and see how this smells like. Kind of nervous. What if it like really smells bad? Then I'm stuck with this, but I guess, you know, gotta support JIMIN with whatever he does. Okay, so it's 50 ml, made in France. I'm actually really nervous. I hope this doesn't suck too bad. What am I saying? I should have faith. Okay, so this is the bottle. It kind of reminds me of the Louis Vuitton perfumes. Kinda. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna spritz it here and then tell you guys how it smells like. Okay. It doesn't smell that bad, to be honest. It smells, you know what it smells like? I think it smells like a perfume that I have. I think it smells like the Elizabeth and James. Hold on, let me get it and then let me just get it from up here real quick. Alright, I'm back. I think it smells like this. This is the Elizabeth and James Nirvana black, I think. Yeah. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna spritz it on my other wrist and then compare, because this definitely reminds me of something. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, maybe. Okay, this one may be a little bit stronger and more masculine, but they definitely smell similar. Yeah. So, obviously, since I have this, that means I like it. So, this one is actually not bad. So, because people kept saying it smells powdery and vanilla-y, and I'm not really a fan of vanilla scents. But yeah, it's actually not bad. Yeah, it smells very like warm, and I don't know how you, I would say it's leaning more towards like masculine scents more than, you know, flowery and you know, feminine. But that's my take on it. So you guys can not listen to me if you want. But yeah, I actually really like it. Okay, I'm just glad that it's not like a total dud. Otherwise, I'm just gonna be like, Okay, so that is it for my unboxing of the perfume. Hope you guys liked my unboxing. Again, this is, let me just zoom back out real quick. This is all that we got for today. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing with me. Please subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye!